Thanks for joining me for this latest update from the Met Office. We should see brighter skies across the northern half of the country during Tuesday after a fairly grey Monday. Still pretty dull and damp, though, across much of southern England and South Wales, certainly initially. High pressure will dominate for most of this week, but for the time being we have this weather front crossing the country, or this set of weather fronts I should say, and as they pull to the south, well, clearer skies will be introduced across Scotland, Northern Ireland overnight and into Tuesday, whereas these weather fronts just dragging their heels across the south, still providing cloud. Outbreaks of rain and drizzle on those as they sink south during Monday evening. Could be some heavier bursts for a time over the Midlands, parts of eastern England, but the clearer skies across Scotland and Northern Ireland, just a hint of blue on the chart. So certainly rural areas and over hills there will be some pockets of frost. Most towns and cities just about staying above, but we are in the colder air here. Further south with the cloud and the rain, we're a long way from freezing, with temperatures in the southwest perhaps even staying in double digits. So a mild start across the south, but it will be a pretty drab start. The rain, though, should shift from northern England fairly smartly through the morning. North Wales also brightening up. A much brighter day for Scotland and Northern Ireland with sunny spells. A few showers for the Highlands, the Western Isles, the Northern Isles. Still quite windy in the northwest as well, but perhaps not quite as windy as Monday. Further south, the winds are light, but staying pretty grey across much of southern England, East Anglia. The Midlands, South Wales may cheer up a little bit later on. Still pretty mild, though, across the south. Double digits here. Further north, temperatures close to average. Feeling pretty pleasant with the light winds and the sunny spells for most. Quite quickly, though, temperatures will tumble on Tuesday evening. So again, that blue hue on the chart suggesting a frost, and before midnight across the Midlands, parts of South Wales, and then further south we'll see frost developing and some fog patches too, which could be slow to clear on Wednesday. Always going to keep a bit more cloud across the far northwest with a few showers over the Highlands, but for most, Wednesday's a fine winter's day with some sparkling sunshine. Light winds will start with a frost, but by the afternoon, temperatures ticking up to around about the average 7-8 degrees, maybe 9 or 10 in the far northwest. That's where we'll see the highest temperatures. But if the fog sticks, and it could do in one or two places, temperatures will struggle to get much above freezing. And with high pressure moving in across the south, we're going to see more fog through the coming nights and mornings. Thursday and Friday morning, in particular across the south, close to the area of high pressure. Further north, more isobars and this weather front bringing some cloud and at times a brisk wind. So across the far north, there will be a bit of patchy rain, but apart from that, most places dry through the rest of this week. Often quite sunny by day, but the mornings will be frosty and there will be some dense and stubborn fog patches that are slow to clear. More information on that, of course, as we go through the week, and so the best way to stay up to date, subscribe to our YouTube channels or follow us right across social media.